Hi everyone, good evening. Okay, so yesterday we seen like how to create the tabs table control by using the wizards tool. Okay, so today we'll see how we can create the tab strips. Again, in tab strips we can create multiple tabs with the one is screen with the normal screen and another one with the table control without using the table wizards. That means manually how we can create the table control. Okay, so and that logic and all how we can add it, that part we will see today. Okay, so as usual, go to SC38 and sorry and create one program. Z Beyond model full tab script. So TS I'm just giving. Okay, so just click on create. Sales info. Okay, so I'm just using model full. Click on package, continue. Okay, and modelization part like you can create include photos. It's not a mandatory, but it looks good. Okay, so for this we are in real time also we use it. We say so. Yes, continue. So data declaration is local purpose. So I'm just using the GSVDAK tag VDAK. Okay. So that is for header sales data purpose, and GTVDAP, that is this is for item data. Okay, and I need work area, so DSM is for VDAP, right? Sorry, VDAP. Okay, after this is very normal, and I need controls for table control purpose and tab strips purpose. Okay, so I'm going to declare with the PC type table view subscreen. So which screen we are going to design for table control, that screen number we have to give. Okay, time being I just give it 1002. Okay, once we are confirmed, then we again will change the that number, or else we can use for table control 1002 only. And the same thing I need for tab strip, tab strip. Okay, so this screen is not required for this one. Just we have to declare. Okay, one is table control TC I just given. Another one is the TS for tab strip purpose. Okay, let's save it and activate. So declaration part done. Same way we need to declare for the rest of things like include program for selection screen. How we yesterday we created, same way we can create for the selection screen. Okay, so continue. Selection, how we give it selection screen, begin of screen. Some we give us some screen number of 100 subscreen. Okay, here we can give the selection screen select option or parameter, whatever we require. Better we are going to pass one single rate, we can give the parameter. We understand VDULA type. We can give like VDOK icon GS underscore VDOK icon VDULA. Okay, let me check. Yes, we got error, so we declare the tables. Not expected. Let's see. End of screen. Okay, so what is that screen? 100. Okay, let's check it. Actually, if it is a global, then it should work. I don't know why it is not. Okay. Let me update from here. Update my phone. it will create using parallel navigation. Mm, let me go back, check it here. Yes, mhm, here it is activated. So let me comment. Activated everything. Now I'm commented. Yeah, it's okay. I just declare the tables as well. Okay, I use the table. Fine. Okay, so we'll go for next. Go back. Okay, so now we need a PA and PB book. Okay, so I just create the include progress. PA, double click and just create it and leave it. Once we create a screen, from there we can add the logic. Okay, so I'll just PA and activate. Go back and same way we can create the PB book. Sorry, change the name. PB, double click, save it, save, okay, and activate it. Done. Okay. Now we'll go for screen creation. So this is my final program. Okay, I'm just going for navigation. Now I'm just create a screen. Okay, so right click, create a screen. So which screen? 101 I'm just giving. This is for selection screen. Okay, I'll just give the understanding purpose selection screen. So where we can give the enter the sales order number. Okay, so that is a normal screen we can call and save it. Okay, then we'll go for layout, design the screen. What we have to design it here, subscreen. Okay, so we can take on box. It's not a mandatory, but it looks good. Okay, if we are taking box, then it looks good. So within the box, I need a subscreen. This is the subscreen area. Drag and drop, double click, and give the thumbnail. Okay, so better I will give the selection screen. So I'll just give the SCL. Okay, and save it. Go to flow logic. So here we can uncomment these two and added our logic. So for calling subscreen selection screen purpose, so here we have to do syntax call subscreen. Okay, sorry, subscreen. What is our subscreen? That's screen name, subscreen name. We give the SCL. Okay, and including site program. Okay, and what is that screen? So 100 is our screen, like selection screen. Okay, same thing. We need to call it here also. Call subscreen that screen name. SCL. Okay, sorry, SCL. This is how we give in the name for sub, selection screen for the sub screen area. Okay, click on save, activate. Okay, so we need to go for this one. Okay, so status, because we need execute button. Once we enter the sales order number, then we need execute button, right? So for that purpose we can create PF status. Okay, so I'm just giving the PF status here, G status. Okay, double click on it, click on save. Right. So what are the things we required here? Okay. Use the normal, so just use the normal, click on continue. And here I required these things like a back, cancel, exit. Okay, these actions should be happens. Another one is execute button, exit. Okay, so these are all yesterday we done. Okay, uh, so same thing I'm doing it here. Okay, F8 we can give the function key, generally F8 for execute purpose. Okay, fine. So these are all fine. Click on save and activate it. Okay, so now for selection screen, execute button, back buttons, these are all we created. Enable those things. Okay, and give the title. So that logic. So whenever we click on those buttons, it should be work right. So backend we have to write the logic. So that logic will implement in PAI. Okay. Before that, we'll create the title for this one to appear some description and title bar. Okay. So we can save it and activate. So we have done the PBO's part. Now we'll go for PAI part. Okay. Double click on this. Click on save. So PA you can select. Okay, so here we can write the code. So what we have to write is, so you make UFA and case. So in between, well, so what are the things we given? One is execute, exe. So whenever we execute, what we need it? We need a sales header data. So single record, right? Sales header. So we give the select single from wage table, VBUK. From what basis we need to get it? VBLF equal to P underscore VBLF. Okay, and select store, then item data from where? VBAP. Sorry, I am not given the work area into GS underscore VBAP. Okay, similarly here we can get the table, internal table, GS underscore GT underscore VBAP. On what basis? Where VBL1 equal to underscore VBL. Okay, so this everything we yesterday we see. Okay, similar way we have to do it, and now we need to call screen. So which is the next screen we require? So that we need to give it here. Okay, so let us save it. Okay, so make screen like I just make it like 1,000. 100 be given. We can give something. One or two I will give it. We have done first with, so we will just give it. Okay. So check. We need other push buttons as well. Okay, so well, back or cancel or exit. Okay, any of this we need to leave this screen. leave the program, or leave the, we have a leave list also is there, list process something. Okay, so anyone we can use it, both not required, anyone we can use it. Okay. So fine. So we giving enable the push buttons logic. Now, if we are execute, then what happens? We'll get the next screen. So one or two screen. Okay, but we are not created one or two screen. Now we'll go for create one or two. Okay, so just right click, create screen one or two. Okay, so this is called screen something. Okay, I'll just give the data screen address. Okay, so this is also normal screen. Okay, I will go for layout. Okay, so oops. This is not activated. Okay, let's go for layout. We can go for edit settings. Let's try now. Okay, now it is supporting. Okay. Now I need tab strips, right? So for tab strip purpose, yesterday what we discussed. Let me take one box. Okay. So this is the tab strip part. Okay, and just select and drag and drop it here. Okay, so double click on first tab one. So first we need to give some name for tab. So this is the table control, tab strip control. Okay, so give the what we given in include top include program. We give it tab strip name is as TS, right? So I just give the TS and select the tab one. Okay, and give some name for this tab strip name. Okay, so what we can give uh, tab 1. Okay, so what is the label? Header data. Okay, so here function code is there. So whenever we use this one function code field, then only it will going to activate. Okay, and references will give the sub one. Okay, so here we need to create one subscreen. So I'm just select this one and place on it here. We'll take one more. Select drag and drop. Double click. Automatically, okay. Let rename it sub one, subscreen one. Just like just give us some name for this one. Okay. Whenever we use this name, automatically will reflect it here. If we go to this, double click on this. Okay. Here it comes automatically. Okay. So we have to link that one. The reference field that part. Okay. Sub this one. Okay. If you enter, then automatically it reflect. If you are not enter, then it gives by default name. Okay, so here I will give the tab 2, and this is item data. Give the function code is tab 2 and give some. Okay, and now I'm not giving anything for to show that how it comes automatic name. So I would like to show you. So I'm not entering anything else here. Okay, I'm selecting the subscreen and drag and drop it here. Okay, double click. Okay, so ref tab to ref 1 is there. Okay, so I'm just closing, or else I double click on this item data. If you see it here, automatically same name came. So if you maintain some name, then you take it. If you are not maintained, then automatically system is going to change. Okay, I just rename to sub to, because we can easily remember something else. If it is comes, then it is a little bit we can't remember, right? So for that purpose, I just make it a sub to, easily understanding or remembering purpose. Okay, so just give it here is the sales order number. Okay, fine. So now let me take it. Okay, what is GSMS for PB? Okay, get from program. I'm just take it only sales order number at here. Continue. Take label. Double click. Use text one. Sales order. Okay, sales order. I just give it. And now in headed data we need a data, right? And item data we need item data. So what we will do, we will save it. Okay, just go to flow logic. Okay, I will come later for this one. I just created the screen. I will do later this part. Okay, because for those two layouts, tabs level, header subscreen and item subscreen area, we need to first create a subscreens. Okay, then we need to those screens. Okay, there is a subscreen numbers. Okay, those screen numbers I need to pass at here. I need to build that logic now. Okay, so instead of doing this logic, assuming some screen numbers and all, better I will go create some other like screen subscreens first. Then I will come back to this part. Okay, so I'm just create screen and give the 1001. Okay, so for header data purpose, I'm just giving it 1001. Okay, so let's give the name like header data. Okay, so here I'm choosing the subscreen. Okay, if you see, I'm choosing this screen subscreen radio button. I'm just going to layout. Okay, here I'm just taking one box. Box is not a mandatory. Don't think in different way. I'm just for a good looking purpose. I'm just giving D1 or D2. Okay, so here I need header data. So just click on this. What are the data I needed? I'm going to select it here. Create year num, year that, order type, open item, blah blah blah. Go down, sales or distribution channel division, SPRT, and customer. Okay, I just place it here. Make it two parts. Expand this. Okay, I need labels as well. So I just make it short. Again, I will go for label, getting for label purpose. I'm getting from dictionary. Okay, what are the fields I selected? Same fields I'm selecting again. Okay, just press it. Okay, I just take labels from here and place it. Okay, just delete this row. I'm just choosing only labels. Don't be confused here. Okay. We are done. And save it. No logic. Okay. And yeah, activate it. Okay. Now we'll go for one more screen. That is for table control. Okay. I'm just giving 1002. Why? Table control we given 1002, right? When we are declaration for time. Okay. So I'm just press subscreen. Go to layout. Okay. So here I need let me take box. That will give some name to box before. Okay, so here I will give the table control. This is the table control. Yesterday what we see? This one, wizards one we see. Today manual one. So backend it won't generate any code. We have to write everything. Okay, so double click on this. What we given the name? TC. Okay, in include program we given the TC for declaration time. Okay, so we have to give that name. Then here we need the fields. Okay, so I'm just select this one. What are the fields we require? GT underscore EBAP get from program. Make it use. Open is not at maybe it is not going for GT. Okay, with considering as a new unit, so I just make it as get from program. Okay, so I need item number, material description, and yeah, go down. Net amount and quantity, delivery quantity, units, maintain all and not required, client, store location. No. Okay, we just continue and place it here. Okay, and we need headings as well. These are all the fields. Okay, this is the item number. So item number we need a label. So I just place it, double click, item number. Okay, so we'll increase the size so visible on this 8 I will give. Okay, the next one is the material number, MATNR. So material number, select text, place it here, double click, material. Okay, and next one is material description, text, description. SCR. Description. Next one, net amount. Okay, what about next? Quantity. I just make it order quantity. Okay, scroll it, select. This is deliver required quantity. REQ. what is units? Unit. Okay, so its length is 3. So truncated the label. So I increase the visible length as 5. Okay. The next one is plant. Select text. Paste it. Plant. And its length is 4. Visible length I'm increasing to 6 or 7. Yeah. Next store location. Okay. SAP terminated. So 1002 screen is not created. So it's not saved. Again, I'm creating. Okay. So let's open data. It's a subscreen. So select this. Go to layout. Again, do the table control part. So most of part we are done actually. Okay, no worry. We'll go take the table control again. Double click on table control. Give the name 40x TC table control and place the labels data fields VS VBAP. Get from program. Select again whatever it is, the item number, material description. So amount, currency, order, quantity, units, client, store location, there is net amount. That is okay. Continue. Place on this screen. Okay, let me save first. Okay, again we'll take text, label, text for item. Visible length will increase to 8. Okay, double click on this and increase visible length to 8. Okay, and material, double click on this, material number. Next one is material description. See description. Next one is net amount. And next one is currency. Next one is quantity. Yeah. Order quantity. Scroll it. Next one is request delivery quantity. Units. Okay, visible length will increase to 5. And then plant. I'm saving every time. And the visible length is 6. Okay, and what else? Like store location. And visible length can make it to 10. Okay, and last net price. Okay. Okay, so here if you want to play something, you can play. Like you want to bring net amount and currency to last, like material description after the quantity you want to bring. Okay, so then you can play like this. Order quantity. Okay, right? Quantity fill here. Request quantity, and then units. Okay, fine. Then amount, currency, plant store location also you want to bring towards this side. Then you can bring store location as well. Okay, so then all like currency I will bring towards right. Okay, then net amount. What happened today? This amount on multiple times. How much it is saved? Need to check. Perfect changeable. No. Let's check it. How much it is. No. Oh, okay, good. Not lost much. So we just doing this aligning part. That will okay. Just do one more time. I think someone trying same system to access it. Okay, fine. Let me save. Okay, now I would like to show few more features in table control because yesterday we seen widgets, so I'm not going to explore much, but today I would like to see. Okay, save it again. So I don't want to edit this material number. So you want to see like a display only. In such a case, is double click on that specific page. Here we have a this one. Go to program tabs. There is a dictionary, program, and display. In dictionary level, we have a what is the type of display. Okay, so this is the character, char, material. Okay, you want to provide some more F4 options, then we can give it here. Okay, conversion returns you want, then you can give the conversion return. Okay, so I'm just going to next program. Here we you would like to display only edit gray mode. Okay, in such a cases you can take it out this input field. Okay, then it comes only display mode. Okay, if you select this one also fine, or else you can just remove input also fine. Okay, in rest or all, if you see rest or all, I'm just make it editable. Okay, and rest only material number I'm just make it in such a way. Okay, and you want to like a 3D something brightness and fixed font size like that. In that case, okay, let me take this one material. Okay, fixed length I just give it. Okay, how much length it is? Like 40, so it comes like a 40. Uh, okay, so such a features. Okay, you want a little bit like brightness and all, but you can't able to see that much difference. Okay, so I'm just giving you a selection. Okay, other than that, in table control, I need a vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling. Okay, double click on this table control. We given TC that name for table control. Here we have a vertical resizing, horizontal resizing. You want to, now it is plain page. You want to make a separator, then vertical lines, okay, and horizontal lines. So you'll get like this. Okay, so this is a separator, vertical lines and horizontal lines for separator, and resize like vertical and horizontal resizing purpose. Okay, so let me resize it. Okay, so you can able to resize, right? Increase and decrease. Okay, so that is happens from resizing. Okay, and multiple, selecting multiple. So here we need one tab, then only we can able to select. So for that purpose we have to give something at here, name, SEL something, SEL. Okay, some name we can keep it. So you want multiple selection, then we have to select this radio button. You want only any of this single line, then we have to select single. Okay, so I just give the multiple, and the column selection also multiple, then you can give the multiple. Okay, these are the features in table control level. I just give it. Okay, then click on save. Okay, super. Go for check. Okay, then activate it here. Okay, yeah, we need to give some loop and all at here. Okay, so that part will do now. Okay, so let me one second. Okay, so these things we can loop gt underscore, where we have a item data gt underscore vbap. Okay, where we are passing gs underscore vbap. Okay, and loop. Okay, so and here with table control, right, we need to give some syntax at here. So that syntax, cursor, actually loop at cursor, we need to give it. Give it a moment. Okay, with control. So table control name is tc. Okay, cursor we have to give it. So tc underscore item current line. Okay, okay, better will give enter it here. Okay, and this is done. Now same loop we have to give it below as well. Let after person rotate gt underscore vbap gs underscore. Okay, so we done this part, and now let's activate it. Let's just activate. Let me just put it. Okay, activate it. Okay. So now we'll go. Now we created 1001 and 1002. Okay, these two are subscripts, so we need to assign this one to uh, yeah, like here only we created a tab script, right? So we need to write it here, that logic. Okay, so let's go to this. Here we can enable this error. Okay, so one is two, and we need to call those subscripts. So we can call subscript. What is subscreen name we given? Sub1, right? One is sub1, another one is sub2. Okay, both things we need to call it. So include C program. So as that screen number. Okay, 1001 I just given for header data. Same way for 1002 as well. Okay, 1002. This is sub2 we given, right? So we give this one. And similarly, we have to give it here as well, called subscreen. Subscreen name we have to give it. Sub1 and sub2. Okay, so fine. We are done this part. Let me save it. Let's save it. and we need to enable that preview for back buttons purpose. Double click on it, click on say preview. Yeah, click on this. Okay, we'll use the same, so we can copy that one and use it here. Same features will get it. Activate. Okay. Similarly, like we want PA also, like action should happen, right? So for that purpose, we can create this one. We can create PA. Same logic I will copy and paste below as well. Okay. Because same thing, action is same for back buttons, not for execute, but I've just given both. Display case missing. Okay. Okay, fine. So we are done almost. Let's create a transaction. How we can execute? We have to create a transaction. From transaction, we need to execute it. Okay, so give the G underscore TS. Okay, so info. So give the program name and screen number 101, right? Give the enable checkboxes. Save it. Okay, click on save. Check. Okay, I just run this one separately. Slash will give the transaction code. You can enter the transaction sales order number. Okay, click on execute. Okay, super. Data is populating sales order, and header data came. Okay, yeah, I missed it one. By default, it selected tab one. Okay, we need to write some logic for tab two. Okay, so if I selected item data, it is not going. Okay, so we need to enable, these are all like it behaves like a push buttons. Okay, we need to enable this one. Data is populating, but the thing is I can't able to go to tab 2 because here I'm not written that logic. Okay, so when I selected that one, so PAI we have to write the logic. Okay, let's go to PAI for this one. Okay, here we need to write, so I will make it at beginning. Okay, so when, so what we given the tab 1 and tab 2, right? For header. Okay. So we need, this is like a switch. Okay. We need to activate it. TS hyphen activate tab. Activate tab equal to what is tab 1. Okay. Similarly, we need to do for tab 2. We want to see in debug mode, we'll execute and check it. Okay. Then we can understand properly. Otherwise, it will get confused. Activate. Better activate everything one more time. Super guys. Okay, and I place the breakpoint at here. I will rerun the transaction. Okay, so now we select this one. Okay, now it is going debug mode. Okay, it is tab 2 button, so push button like we given task script, right? Tab 1, tab 2. So now I selected tab 2, so it came size of so you come it captured the tab 2. Okay, it is activating this tab 2. Okay, so now it came tab 2. I'm pressing of it. Okay, super. Now we have a item data with horizontal scrolling, okay, and vertical scrolling. Okay, if you see vertical scrolling, okay, amount, total amount, and net price, currency, store location, plant, units, and quantity, okay, and delivery quantity and request quantity, order quantity, and this is the highlighted, like we given some highlighted, right, brightness, we selected some checkboxes for description, okay, so because of that it got some highlight part, okay, and materially it is not edit mode. If you see, we were all edit mode. You want, I just make it like I can I can edit these are, but it won't affect, like it won't be saved anywhere. But I can edit. These are all editable fields. Okay, so I can change this something here. But material is not, because I make it as output only. Okay, the other reason I can't able to modify this material, so we can grade it out. So there is a chances for end user to type something extra. Okay, to avoid all those things, we can give like we can give the disable mode, display mode on it. Okay, then it is good. One requirement I got it. Okay, I need to disable all these item number and I'll just make it personal. Okay, item number, quantity, description, not quantity, item number, material description, and store location, plant, net amount. These are all should be populate, okay, in table control, and should be in gray mode, okay, non-editable mode. Only I need this one, the request the delivery quantity, I need to in editable, and rest of all I need to disable, okay. So after modifying this, I'm going to select these items, okay, multiple selection is just given, right, that's the reason it is allowing. So I'm going to select these items. There is this submit button one I'm created. So when I click on that submit button, it should be go for delivery, like automatically it should create a delivery. After delivery it should create a invoice, okay. This is the real-time requirement which I'm sharing, okay. So that so that you can practice. Okay, so we have a like a BDC part as well. Next topic, okay. There, if it is possible, we will try that one. Delivery creation, delivery part, and all we create. So this is one requirement completely. Need to design one sales order, okay, screen, okay. So there we need to make it enable this quantity requested quantity part. So if it is full quantity delivered, then we can select the same and click on submit. Then automatically delivery, it creates the delivery and it creates the invoice. Okay. So if it is partial quantity, for suppose client order 100 quantity, but right now I don't have that much quantity, so I'm going to deliver only 50 quantity. In such a cases, order quantity is like 100. For suppose I just make it here 100, and the requested delivery quantity I just make it like 50. Okay, and one more button I created at here, that is remaining quantity. Okay, one more field I added it here, that is remaining quantity. So next time when they are going to process there, that time we can able to see how much is remaining. So this quantity is going to update in sales order level. So yesterday we last session's report level we seen, right, quantity updation part in the same logic we need to apply it here. Okay, to update this requested quantity. And VBAP table, I added one more custom field like remaining quantity. Okay, so that remaining quantity I just make it at here, and calculation back end, when I make it this one, click on submit button in PAI here. So that submit button, when sub button I just given when option, there I give written the logic for if update this quantity, and order quantity minus requested delivery quantity, remaining quantity is after that formula remaining quantity result I'm passing to this remaining quantity place. Okay, so that I'm just updating in VBAP table. So that is actually real time this one. Okay, and after updated in table level, so how we are going to do, we have a BAPI function model to sales order update purpose, change BAPI underscore sales underscore uh, update change. Okay, sales order change underscore change is there. So by using that function model, I updated the quantity. Okay, And after that, in this same tab itself, I created BDC, created one function model for creating the delivery. Okay, that function model I call it here. Okay, so you can add in your profile this requirement as well. When they're asked, so what you have done in the model full screen designing part, that time you can explain about it. Okay, so this is very very valuable one. This requirement, and it's not easy. Like we need to do the enhancement, we need to do the BAPI, like we need to call the BAPI function model, and we need to call this one like function models to load the data. Okay, um, yeah, that is part. We need to add the append structure in the VDAP table. Okay, so all the combinations we have in this part. Okay, so yeah, I just done from my end. If you have any queries, please let me know. Anyone have any queries, any doubt? No questions? No doubts? Okay, like this we can create a number of tabs. How much we require based on our requirement, we can do. Fine, then we can close for today.